here.
What's wrong? What's going on?
Thunderstorm!
What?
Thunderstorm!
What's all the excitement?
I don't know, but this is not excitement voice.
Not
this is a repaired voice.
What?
This is a repaired voice. Get repaired, quick!
Get prepared?
Yes.
For what?
For the thunderstorm.
What's talking about?
See those big fluffy clouds? That's thunderstorm clouds.
What's that?
Some thunder.
Come here.
Repair.
Well, jeez. He's come flat out. Picking everything up. Huh.
Everyone,
Jeez. Dramatic,
you
boy.
need to get repaired.
Get repaired.
I don't know who'll be warm enough for one of these.
What
Anyways,
are you doing?
getting repaired. Throwing stuff in the house for it won't get wet and stuff. Okay.
So what's happening?
Thunderstorm.
What? But there's not a cloud in the sky, is there?
Yes. Did you see the clouds?
I don't hear any thunder.
Well, there should be one too.
Oh.
Everyone.
Paul's ain't they're gonna blow away in there.
It's all repaired, right?
I don't know, I guess you're the one in charge here.
We're all repaired.
Okay.
That's good. All of us is repaired.
Do you mean prepared?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just say a different word for it.
Oh.
And I can't say that. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the rain.
What?
Let's wait for the rain.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that cloud there. Well, it looks like a giant bear. We need to get ready as can be.
Yeah?
Yes. This can get worse. Once it rains, I'm trying to cancel this.
Cancel it?
Yes.
I don't know if that's gonna happen.
It could. There's a possible. It's possible for me to stop.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about. Look at those clouds.
Yes, I'm gonna try. I have a machine. I bent it and I put it up in the sky, and whenever there's big thunderclouds,
I hear it. You hear it? Yeah.
It'll get rid of those clouds.
You're not serious.
Yes, but it may not be ready. It may be too hot for it to work.
Yes, boy.
Yes.
So you're gonna sit there and wait, are ya?
I'm just going to sit here and wait. Yeah.
Okay. So you're in charge.
Yeah. And it took me a long time to make it.
So if anyone has problems because of this storm, who should they call?
Me.
You?
Yes.
Really?
I can probably deal with this. So,
Yes, sir.
what are we waiting for? Let's get ready. What are you waiting for?
Well, I think it's kind of far away yet. What do you think?
Yeah.
You're the expert.
Yeah. And it will not. It probably won't work. It's probably too hot and warm.
Do you think we got lots of time?
I'm sure we got a little bit of time left.
Yeah, because look, it's still beautiful over here.
I know.
And then, look.
I know. What are you waiting for? We need to get repaired for this.
Prepared, Mason.
I can't say that
Why?
because slide this in.